Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. Today, I'm going to talk about greetings. Here is today's lineup. First, we'll have basic greetings. Second, basic greetings plus a question. Third, some short example conversations. 最後まで見ててね. Part 1, basic greetings. First things first, let's talk about how to say hello. Yeah, I know it seems so simple, but I feel I have to take this chance to remind you of the proper pronunciation of hello. So it's not haro, it's hello. 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 Okay? So now we've got that out of the way, let's look at some other ways to say hello. Hi. Hi there. Hello. Hello there. Hey. Hey there. Hey man. Hey girl. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. As good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are formal English, people often shorten them to morning, afternoon, evening. And also you have the word good night, so it can also be shortened to night. But remember, this one is only used when you say goodbye. Night. How do we reply? Well, you don't have to say the same thing as the other person. 必ず同じことを言い返すんじゃなくて、それは逆にロボットみたいな話し方にはなっちゃうんで、なるべく自分の好きな言葉を使ってください。こんにちは。どうもどうもと一緒ですね。Here is a bad example. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Hi there. Hi there. Hey man. Hey man. So it seems kind of weird, right? It's probably more natural if you mix them up. Let's look at some better examples. Hello there. Morning. Hey man. Hi there. Evening. Hi. Hello. Hey there. It's also fun to add a name to the greeting. Hi Keiko. Morning Steve. Hey there, Atsushi! If you really want to improve your English, please subscribe to our channel. We have lots of other lessons like this one and this one. チャンネルを登録してくださいね。あとは、いいね押してください。Thank you very much. Number 2, the basic greeting plus a question. So this is the next step. So we ask the basic greeting plus a question. Native speakers love to ask a question. It just seems so natural. I can't stop at just hello. 質問聞かないと気が進まないっていうんですかね。Now this one confuses a lot of people. How do we answer the question? It's really very simple. Okay, imagine we ask the question, how are you? There are basically 4 answers. I'm good. I'm great. I'm pretty good, and I'm not too bad. So if you remember these 4 answers, you'll be fine. Usually these are the answers that everybody says. Here's an interesting little story for you. So when I first arrived in Japan, I used to work with an American guy, and he had just arrived in Japan too. And when he came to the office every single morning, he went around all the people in the office and said, "O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? Watashi wa genki desu. O genki desu ka?" So after a few weeks, the Japanese staff started to get a little bit tired of his constant greetings saying "O genki desu ka?" So somebody took him aside and explained. Of course, "O genki desu ka?" is a similar meaning to "How are you?" But in the Japanese culture, maybe they don't use quite so often as in English when people say, "How are you?" So he learned the difference between Japanese culture and English-speaking culture. It's very interesting, don't you think? O genki desu ka? Anyway, back to the lesson. So, how should you answer? Well, basically, don't think too deeply about it. I have found myself in a situation where I asked one of my students something simple like, "How are you doing today?" This was her reply. "Oh, I've had a busy day. I made a lunchbox in the morning and then I went to work and now I have a headache and I'm very tired." You know what? It's too much information. I was just saying hello. On the other hand, if a really close friend or family member asks me, I might be more honest. Things aren't so good. Here are some other questions. Hello, how are you? Hi, how's life? Hello there, how are things? Hi, how are you today? Hey, how are you doing? Hi, what's new? Hey, what's happening? So basically you can answer all these questions with very similar responses, like these ones here. You can say, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great, I'm pretty good, or I'm not too bad. Actually, you don't even have to say the I am part. You could just say good, fine, great, pretty good, not too bad. You don't have to say the I am part in a relaxed conversation. You know, it's not a law. Did you notice I didn't use the expression I'm fine, thank you, and you, which is the one that everybody learns in school. So it's not a bad expression, it's good, people say it, but sometimes it sounds, you know, a little robotic. I'm fine, thank you, and you. I'm fine, thank you, and you. So try and use a wide variety of different expressions. That's my point. Part 3, short example conversations. So in the first part, I will play the part of two people. In the second part, it's going to be your turn to answer the questions. Good luck. Hi, how are you? Hey, I'm good. Hey, how's it going? Hi there, pretty good. Hello there, how are things? Not bad, not bad. How about you? Hi John, how are you doing? Oh, hi there Scott. Yeah, I'm hanging in there. Hiya John, how's life treating you? Good, yeah, well, can't complain. You? I'm doing good, thanks. Now it's your turn. Hi, how are you? Hey, how's it going? Hello there, how are things? Hi, how are you doing? Hiya, how is life treating you? That was our lesson on greetings. The next time you see an English speaker, maybe in your office or in your neighborhood or just around town, try and use some of these expressions. Try and stay away from I'm fine, thank you, and you, which is kind of robotic. Okay, thank you very much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.